Once again, welcome back to Active Education Pro. This video is for calculation of decimal numbers of class 7 NCERT book Mathematics chapter 2. In my last video already we have details information about decimal numbers. So this video is for calculation of decimal numbers, means operational calculation, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So let's go for first calculation. First operation is addition. So how to add decimal numbers? And yes, one more thing, sign rules for every number like integers, real number, whole number is same as usual for decimal numbers. So no extra sign rules. This sign rule is same for integers, same for whole numbers and same for decimal numbers. So let's start. Let's go for addition. Decimal numbers, suppose 32.75 plus 13.786. We have to add these two numbers, 32.75 with 13.786. And in my last video already we have discussed about the place value. 7 is 10th position, 5 is 100th position. We know about the place value of these digits of these numbers. So here as usual, 32.75, write it vertically below its 13.786, write vertical below to 32.75. This is 13.786. Suppose these are not decimal numbers. This is 3275 and 13,786. And you know how you write 3275, 13,786. These both 5 and 6 are at one place, so it write down vertically. 7, 8 at 10th place, it write down vertically. 2, 7 at 100 place, it write down vertically. And both 3 are at 1000 place, write it vertically downwards. And this one is 10,000 place. Similarly, here in decimal numbers, we write it the accurate place below its accurate place. Here 5 is at 100th place, so 8 is at 100th place. Here always at real numbers, the number starts from left side, left alignment and moves towards right side. This is 4-digit number and this is 5-digit number, so this digit is left over for left side. But here in decimal numbers, the decimal points are alignment with each other. Here decimal points are alignment with each other and the remaining points extend towards right side and left side. If the digits of right side is exceeds than the another number, then it exceeds towards right side. If the number of any number left side digit is more than the another numbers, so it extends towards left side. So now add this number. This is, there is nothing, so here you can put a 0. Another thing, 0 at left side of any natural number, any whole number doesn't matter to us. Similarly, 0 after decimal points, extreme end of right of any decimal number doesn't matter for us. So here there is nothing, there is no digit, so this is 0. 6 plus 0 is 6, 8 plus 5 is 13, 3, 1, 7, 7, 14, 15 and this 1 remaining decimal. As usual, normally you add the number, but you just put a decimal sign alignment with the above decimal points. So 3, 2, 5, 6, 3, 1, 4. This is 46.536. The result of the sum result of these two number 46.536. Another example, suppose there is 1.568 plus 13.79. Again check here, decimal points are alignment with each other. 1.568, here right side of decimal point contains more digit than the another number. Here 2 digit and here 3 digit. And in next number, second number, left side contains more digit than the first number. So don't worry about these digits, about the number of digits, just alignment with decimal points. Now add this number. There is nothing, so this is 0. 8 plus 0, 8. 9 and 6, 9 plus 6 is 15. And 7 plus 5 is 12, 1, 13. And 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 5 and 1. 15.358. The addition result of 15.358. And again I repeat it, sign rules is same as usual for integers, as usual for whole numbers, every number system. This is same. And next go for subtraction. Suppose 35.768 minus 13.213. Here whole number part is 35 and here whole number is 13. So always 35 is greater than 13. So this number is greater than this number. So now write down it vertically. Now subtract it. 8 minus 3 is 5, 6 minus 1 is 5, 7 minus 2 is 5, 5 minus 3 is 2, 3 minus 1 is 2. 2.555. 2.555. Okay, the subtraction result of this number is 2.555. Here the first number is greater than the second number, so result is a positive. Subtract it vertically or vice versa, means 13.213 minus 35.768, the result will be same 22.555, but sign will change because here 35 is greater than 13 and the sign of 35 is minus. So this is the property. This is the operational calculation, subtraction operational calculation of decimal number. Next go for multiplication. So multiplication, suppose first case that to multiply a decimal number with a whole number. Suppose there is 2.3 into 6. Here decimal number multiply with a whole number 2.3 into 6. Similarly, as usual, you multiply number with a number, multiply 6 3s are 18, 1, 6 to the 12, 13, 138, but there is a decimal point after one digit from right side. So here put a decimal point after one digit towards left side. Here it's 8. Here it contains one digit towards right side after its decimal point. So answer will contain one digit after decimal point. Then next go for multiplication with 10 multiples. Suppose 2.35 into 10. 2.35 with 10. First convert this 2.35 to fraction. This will be 235 and contains two digits after decimal point. So 1 with 2 zeros into 100. So 10 cancel this 100 and now this is 235 divided by 10, which is 23.5. Then what will be the result when you multiply 2.35 with 10? Then our result comes to 3.5. So from here we came to know that when we multiply 10's multiple or with 10, then the decimal point should change its position from left side towards right side. Here there is 1 0, so we change its position from left to right side. This point comes to this position. Another example, 15.354 into 100. So here look here, there are two zeros with 1, two zeros with 1. So this decimal point moves towards right direction with two digit places. For two digit places, so this will be 1535.4. 1535.4. When you multiply with 10 or 10 multiples of 10, then you should move the decimal points towards right side according to the number of zeros present with these 10 multiples. Here 100, 10 multiple of 10 and carries 2 zeros, so it moves 2 positions, 2 digit places, 35.4. Then the another case, first we multiply this decimal number with a whole number, then multiply decimal numbers with multiples of 10 or 10, then multiply decimal number with a decimal number. Suppose this is 1.2 with 1.2. Look here it is a decimal point and also this number is a decimal point. So first normally you multiply the numbers 12 and 12. So 12 in 12 is 144. So write here 144. Here the first number carries 1 digits after decimal points and second number also carries 1 digit after decimal points. So add the number of digit places in both these numbers. Here 1 digit after decimal point, here also 1 digit. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So in answering result, you have to move towards left side with 2 digit decimal points. with 2 digits decimal points. You have to move right to left. 2 digits, so 1, 2, and this point is the decimal point. Here is the position for decimal point. This is 1.44. 1.2 into 1.2 is equal to 1.44. Another example. 1.4 into 2.76. Multiply 1.4 with 2.76. Similarly, as usual normal, you multiply 14 with 276. 6 4s are 24, 2, 6 1s are 6, 8. Then 7 4s are 28, 7 1s 7, 2 9, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. This is 4, 8 is 16, 10, 18, 3, 3, 8, 6, 4. So answer is 3, 8, 6 and 4. Here in first number there is 1 digit places 2 decimal points after decimal points, and here there is 2 places after decimal points. So final, this is 1 and this is 2, 3. So in this resulting number you have to move from right towards left, carrying 3 decimal places. Here 1 and here 2. This is 1 decimal places and this is 2 decimal places. So you have to move 3 decimal places. This is 1, 2, 3. So this is 3.864. Okay, clear? Then next move towards division of decimal numbers. If there is a number, there is 1.2 divided by 2. 1.2 divided by 2. 1.2 divided by 2. And you normally divide the number 12 by 2 is equal to 0. Here is answer is 6. So here answer is 6, and here there is 1 decimal places after this point. So 6 moves from left to right to left and carrying a decimal points after this digit. So 6, 0.6, this will be 0.6. 1.2, this number carries 1 decimal places after decimal point. So this answer will be carries 1 decimal points after this decimal points because it is divisible by number 2. And the next case, when you divide a number with 10 or multiples of 10, So first, convert with fraction 135 by 100 divided by 10, and you know very well 135 upon 100 into 1 by 10, and this is 135 upon 1000. It will be 0.135. There are 3 zeros, so moves 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is 0.135. So when you divide by 10 or multiples of 10, then the decimal points moves from left to right according to the number of places with this divisor. When at the time of multiplication, when you multiply 10 with a multiples of 10, then the decimal points moves from left to right according to the number of zeros present with this number. But in the case of division, when you divide it with 10 or multiples of 10, then decimal points moves right to left according to the number of zeros present in this dividend. Okay. Then the next one thing is decimal points divided by decimal points. Suppose this is 1.44 divided by 1.2. 1.44 divided by 1.2. So answer will be 12. 144 upon 12 is 12. And again here there is 2 decimal places and there is 1 decimal places. So subtract this decimal places value. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So this will be 1.2. 1 decimal places after this decimal point, this is 1.2. Suppose another one example is 0.225 divided by 0.5. Normally first you divide 225 by 5 is 45. It's 45. But look here, there are 3 decimal places and here is 1 decimal places. So this is 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So here you have to put decimal points after 2 digits from right to left. From right to left, when you move from right to left, you have to put decimal points after 2 digits. 1, this is 2. So 0.45 is the actual answer of this questions division problems. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my video and press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.